Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can add the phone number missing option in your Roblox. First of all, let's go ahead and view it. Head over to more section, go for settings. In here, select account info. Now likewise, some of you might be able to see the option of phone number. Others will only see the password, some emails, and username. So this usually happens if you reside in a region where this feature is restricted. Not every region has this feature, but if you see that your friends has it, even though you guys are in the same country, this could be because your phone number might be linked with a terminated Roblox account. So make sure that your phone number is not linked with that, and I'm pretty sure that you will be able to add your phone number if your friends have it too. Or else, if the region is the problem, there's nothing that you can do about it. Another problem could be some age restriction in Roblox that will not allow you to have phone numbers because minors does not have a phone number. That is why Roblox restricted that feature to minors. So guys, these are all the things that you should know. Thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.